Hello guys, this is part 2 of the Go-Kart motor swap, so hope you enjoy. So what I'll be doing in this episode is I will be welding a mounting plate for that engine over there to go on the Yerf dog. So let's get to this video. So right now I will be cutting a piece to support the bracket. So I'll be welding this square tube here onto the bracket to support it when it is on the go-kart. So now I am test fitting the plate on the go-kart, and it looks like it fits, so we're good. So this will be the end of part 2 of the go-kart motor swap. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you in the next part. I'm gonna edit this video and go to bed. It's late. See you in the next video.